So this is real, guys. Yeah. Hey, welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I see the webinar already started itself, so it's great to have you here. Let me actually move my desk up a bit. So I like to stand when I do my presentation. So good to have you here. Let me know if you can hear my voices, if everything is clear, if you can hear me. Just type it in the chat. Are you able to hear me? Hey, James, I can see James here, loud and clear. Hernandez, great to have you here. Who do you have more? Mar TT, also here. Bob, yes, you can hear me loud and clear. All right, so also people on YouTube, and I saw already people saying, hey, Tim, you're talking. Yeah, I know, I was preparing. I just started the live stream in case people would like to follow this on YouTube as well. I see Angelia's there. Perfect. So let's wait a few more seconds for people to hop on. More and more people are jumping in. You're the man, Tim. Thank you. Greg is also here. Audio working. Burnett, welcome. George, Bob, where are you guys from? Let me know. I'm from the Netherlands here. Actually freezing cold at this moment. So let me know where do you guys come from? Curious to hear. Let me see here. Westchester, PA, New York. Oh, nice. Nebraska, USA, sunny Florida. I'm jealous. We've been to Florida last summer, and a great place. United States, South Carolina. Let me see here. Ray, also from Pittsburgh. Great to be here. Yes, great to have you here. Leonard, welcome. Tom from Columbus, Ohio. Let me see here. Germany, Utah. So we got people from all over the place. So yeah, let's get started. Let's dive into this. And I can tell you that I'm pretty excited to do this webinar. As you can see here in the background, it says generate websites with AI in 20 plus languages in seconds. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to reveal something that we can't wait to show you. And if you have any questions, we will answer the questions at the end of the webinar. We also have a very special offer for you at the end of the webinar. So make sure you stay here till the end. We're going to give away a free few copies as well. So that's fun for those. And make sure that you listen to this webinar, because I'm going to ask a few questions in order to be able to win a free copy. Somebody says sound is breaking too. So I'm not sure if that's only you, George. But yeah, let me know if the sound, if you cannot hear me, just let me know it in the chat. If a lot of people will say it, we know that the sound is not good, but it seems that everything is goes well here. Belgium, Utah as well. Okay, let me see here. So yeah, generate websites with AI in 20 plus languages in seconds. Now, first, let me introduce myself for those that don't know me. I've invited a lot of people, but you are probably also invited by somebody else. And yeah, my name is Tim Verdouw. I'm a husband and father, and I'm a top 1% affiliate marketer. And that's what I currently do. This is my full-time job, and I'm happy with that. And, you know, my passion is love playing golf. And this is one of the things that I really, really love to do. And I said I've been in Florida, and I've golfed there as well. And they have some great courses. So that's a great place to be if you are a golfer. Many golf courses there. But, you know, that's what I love to do in my free time. So I don't know if there are more people here that love to golf, but that is something that I love to do. Another thing that what is my passion is I love software products. You know, those that know me, you see my reviews on YouTube. I do a lot of product reviews, and I love software. You know, I love to dive into software. I love to know everything about it. I love to understand it and to dive into it and to show it to other people. And I'm good at it. People say I am good at it. So yeah, that is what I love to do. It's my passion, and I make a living with my passion. And that's the greatest thing that you can do, right? So I'm here today with Ankit. Ankit is also, he's in the background here as well. He can answer your questions as well. And I want to tell about Ankit that he's my main partner. That's also the first thing that I wrote down here. Ankit is my main partner because I've worked with multiple people over time, and I really love working with Ankit. He's such a good guy, and he's such a great product creator that I said, I want to partner with you, and you become my main partner. And he's the same way to me. He loves to work with me. So yeah, he's the product creator, and he's 10 plus years in business. He's creating products for over 10 years. So maybe products like FOMO clips, Restory, Readup, Voice Motions, GPT videos. Those are just a few products, to name a few, that he has created. And those are beautiful products that are pretty awesome to use. So if you haven't used those, you can search them up as well. And his passion is technology and movies. He loves technology. I asked him, hey, what is your hobby? And he said, that's a hard question. I said, what do you do when you have free time, if you have any? Because he works so hard, and he works so hard because he loves technology. He simply works with technology. And the second passion is creating software products. He's working so much because he loves what he's doing as well. His passion is creating software products. His passion is technology, and of course, movies. But he loves what he's doing. And together, we're going to present today something to you that we absolutely like. So I've created this slide. It says we are a perfect match, right? I love to dive into software. I love software products. He loves to create software products. And together, we are a perfect match because, I come with ideas, and he's able to implement those ideas. And because of that, we have created something amazing today that we're going to show you. This is actually a product from both of us that I had some ideas, he had some ideas, and he has implemented that, and he's created this product. So I'm very proud to be with him here. And yeah, so we made something special that we can't wait to tell you about, and we're going to show that today. Now, why did I talk about passion? Because, normally we can talk about everything, but I say I want to talk about passion. That's what I want to start today, because I'm going to take you on a little journey to motivate you, if that's okay to you, before we dive into a demo of what I got for you today, because there are a lot of different people in here, and I want to motivate you. Because why did I talk about passion? Well, I did talk about passion because passion brought Ankit and me to where we are at this moment. Ankit launched a lot of successful products, and he made a ton of money by simply doing what his passion was, and that's creating products. And right now, I'm a top 1% affiliate, and I just looked it up, and I sold over 7 figures in affiliate products, in sales for affiliate products. And, I can be more grateful than I am today. And that's all simply because I followed my passion. And that's what I recommend anyone to do, to follow your passion, because, when you follow your passion, the rest will follow itself. So we do the things we do now because, we followed our passion. And this has not always been the case. I have not always been following my passion. And let me show you this. And this is actually a picture. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a picture of our office, of my office 15 plus years ago. I'm not very good at dates and at years, but 15 plus years ago, maybe it's 20 years ago, but this is where I worked. I worked at an office here. First, I started this business with one of my mates here for a boss. We created a kitchen tops factory where we created Italian kitchen tops, and we worked for a boss, and I created these kitchen tops myself. And a little later, I went to the financial department where I hadn't studied for, but, I kind of liked it, but there were a lot of financial issues, and was always having trouble with my boss. He spent his money where he couldn't spend his money, and I was in the trouble because I had to pay the bills and stuff like that. So this was my future until I decided to leave. And, happily, it says here, your future isn't always secure, because this was the same office that I'm going to show you here, that I was working at, and it burned down to the ground. And luckily, I was gone at this moment. And, if I still would have worked here, I wouldn't have had any job. So what happens? Well, luckily, I followed my passion before everything burned down. So that company burned down. But before that, I was going on my own. I started my own business. And let me tell you a little bit about my success, how I started, a little bit about my history, a little bit about my background, because here it says my success started in the Czech Republic. This is a long time ago. That's 15 plus years ago, right? And this is where my success started, because we went with a church on a mission trip to the Czech Republic. And the funny thing is that when we went there with the church, I started doing what I like to do, because I got this camera. I don't know if you know this camera, but this is a very old camera in here. And this was the camera that I got. And my pastor said that time, he said, "Hey, Tim, do you like to record our mission trip there and then create a video? Also going to buy a computer where you can work on and that you can create a video." So I've never worked with video before, but I love to do that. So I went with the camera. I just filmed our whole journey, and then we came back. I had the computer. I had Adobe Premiere. I think that was the software that I worked with back then. And I started editing the video, and people were so excited when they saw the video. They said, "Man, you need to do something with this gift that you have." And I love to do it. It was kind of my passion. And I didn't earn any money with it, but I love doing that. And it went on and on. Let me one step back. So it went on, and later on we purchased more professional equipment like cameras, professional cameras, etc. So I started learning more and more about camera, and I created multiple videos, high quality videos, and that didn't go unnoticed. So companies were reaching out to me and say, "Hey, Tim, can you also film for us?" And that's when I started to create my own video business 15 plus years ago, where I started creating videos for other businesses. And all of that started from my passion. And that's such a cool thing. I did what I love doing. And then suddenly I was charging $600 to $800 for a single video. I went out, I was filming for a few hours. Most of the things that I did was I was filming interviews, and then I could charge $600 to $800. And sometimes I had 2-3 of those assignments a week. And then, that counts up when you do that every single month. So that's where my passion started. And my other passion was creating websites. And that's what we're going to talk about today as well. But this was my first website creation platform. I don't know if you know this platform. It's called E107. This was a CMS, and this was what the websites were looking back then. This was the website that I created. And, now I wouldn't be proud of websites with designs like this. But back then it was very useful. And I learned how to create website, and it had my passion. I really like to do this. And my next step went to affiliate websites. So I was at a business meeting at our church, and there was another boy, and he said, you can, when you create websites, why don't you create affiliate websites? And I said, affiliate websites? What is affiliate website? I didn't know what affiliate was, Also, I started somewhere not knowing what affiliate marketing is. So I'd done affiliate marketing, and he said, yeah, you simply put a product on your website and a link to the product. And then when somebody purchases, you're going to get a commission for that. So I was like, wow, that's amazing, right? I can simply generate commissions by having a website and then get traffic to that website. And then when people purchase something, I'm going to get paid. So that's when I started to creating my first website. And my first website was an affiliate marketing website about iPads. So it was something, if you translate this to English, it was buyipads.com, something like that. And I had a similar website in the Netherlands, buyipads.nl. And this is not my website that you're seeing right here, but you can imagine what kind of website you will have with products like this. I also had news articles so that I could rank this on Google. And I started making money with affiliate marketing, and I was pretty excited. I had Dutch affiliate networks that I worked for, and I started generating an online income with affiliate marketing. And that was so cool. I mean, that was my next step. And now I am here. I mean, this is a big step further, right? I mean, I just took a few pictures from my Facebook where I won a closing contest, where I got my JV Zoo performance leader reward and some extra stuff that I got. But I would have never imagined that I would be here by following my passion, by doing exactly what I love to do. And my point is, I kept doing what I love to do, and that's what brought me success here. And that's what I want to tell you as well. If you keep doing what you're doing, it brings you success, and now it pays all of my bills. And maybe you say, okay, yeah, that's easy talking for you, Tim. You know how to do affiliate marketing, and you make all those commissions, and you said you made that and that, blah blah blah. But remember, I've been at the position. I'm not sure if you're there now. Maybe you're also successful, but there are many kind of people in here during the webinar. But I've been at the point where I didn't make anything online as well. Actually, the website that I just talked about, the affiliate website about iPads, Google came with an update. I don't know if you've heard about the Panda update. I think it was the Panda update back then, and it swiped away all affiliate websites. So from one day till the other day, I didn't earn a single dime online. I really didn't earn anything with affiliate marketing because my site was gone. And I've tasted how it was to make commissions by having a website and selling products. But from one day to the other day, I didn't earn anything. And I had to start all over again because, my knowledge was also limited. But I had to do it all again. And so I've struggled for many years, and I still wanted to follow my passion. And that's what I did. And back then, I think it was Brad Ritecki that I started noticing that he had a blog about affiliate marketing. So I started following him. I started following his products, etc. So he also teaches us, you can do product reviews, you can create a website, and then you can sell your sales, etc., make sales, etc. And that's what I started doing. So I thought, hey, I have my history of filmmaking or video making. I can apply that to what I want to do. So I'm going to do product reviews. I'm going to record myself. And honestly, I should have put a slide in here of one of my first videos, but when I look back at it now, I have to laugh so hard about it because you know about yourself probably as well. If you see older videos, then you're probably ashamed. But when I look back, I'm really ashamed for those videos because I see myself in a green screen studio with a monitor next to me and presenting a product on that monitor. I mean, how stupid is that? But I thought that has going to work. That's quality, etc., etc. But at the end, I didn't make a single dime, and I worked till midnight. Seriously, guys, I worked till midnight, and I didn't earn anything with affiliate marketing. And I'm not trying to sell you affiliate marketing. What I try to tell you is my story, so that you get to know me a little bit better. And also, of course, we're going to talk about websites. But it was just fun to see myself when I look back now, and I grew through the years. I became more professional. I started knowing how to do things and how to get the right traffic and all this stuff. But my key point is, I've struggled for many years. I worked till midnight. Even my family told me, Tim, you should really stop because you work so hard and you don't make anything about it. I can tell you, I'm so grateful that I never stopped. Otherwise, I would never been at the position where I am right now. And now I have that success. So years without success followed, but I kept doing what I love. I had on the inside, I love this, and I do this because I love this, not because I have to. So the result, full-time online marketer. And back then, I still remember the time when I reached out to other people and saying, hey, can I please promote your product? Can I please get review access? And, most of the times I got a no, not possible. And I know how that works as well. But I got no, and some people let me promote their products. But now it's the other way around. People are reaching out to me. I get a lot of emails, even from external companies that see my videos and say, hey, do you want to promote this, etc. So I have to decline a lot of offers as well. And simply because I now do what I love, and people start noticing that. So why am I telling all this? Because we're going to talk about our brand new product, but why am I telling this? Because if you do what you love to do, it's much easier to get success. Now, what if I told you that you could operate in the area that you love and also make money with it? Because this is the whole point that I try to tell you today, because this is truly what I believe, that you could do what you love and also make money with it. And that's where I want to introduce you to our brand new product that I've emailed you about, that other people have emailed you about. That's why you're here at the webinar, where I want to introduce you to SightBuilder. This is our brand new product. This is the product that has been developed by Ankit, and we're super proud to announce you this. I'm blown away. I'm never been more excited than today to launch a product. maybe you say, okay, what has SightBuilder to do with passion? That's a good question. And let me tell you, SightBuilder allows you to create an income in the area that you love. And this is the thing, one of the things that I truly believe. SightBuilder allows you to create an income in the area that you love. How are you able to do so? That's the big question, right? How am I able to do so? Because it creates websites for any niche, and I put it here as well, and any passion. SightBuilder allows you to create websites in any niche and any passion, and all automated. I'm going to show you that as well. But why is it important? Because you are now able to create websites in your passion niche. And you know, when you start playing with this build, I'm trying a bit to put my enthusiasm on you for this build, that you also have passion, that you also like to create websites with this build, because it is a lot of fun to do so. But the cool thing is that you can sell websites in the area of your passion. Like I said at the beginning, I love playing golf, right? And golf is my passion. So it's super, super easy for me to talk to other business, or to talk to a golf coach, to talk to a golf instructor and talk about golf, right? So we can talk about his passion, we can talk about his golf, and I can tell him, you know, it's so awesome that you do what you love, that you work in your passion field, right? And if he asks me what I'm doing, I can tell my story, that I also work in the passion that I love, you know? And I can sell him a website easily because I love golf. And I can tell him, you know, I create websites, especially for golf instructors, and I can do that for you as well. And I can offer him a website completely full with content and all. And it's super easy because it has my passion. I love to create those sites, right? It is that I'm limited in time that I can do that right now, but I can imagine so many areas where I can sell and create websites in the niche of my passion. And there's so many passions, you know. Feel free to drop your passion in the chat if you like to. And we're going to create websites for that passion. I'm going to show you live demos as well. So opportunities comes when you're ready for it. So that's what I believe. If you're ready to receive something, you know, if you don't have a tool like this, you will never be able to have a conversation. Say, hey man, I can create a website for you, and I can do that easily. And if you're there and you're ready for it, opportunities will come. This is also how it came for me. You know, that's how that boy came to me and say, hey, you know how to build websites. Cool. Create affiliate websites. You know, that's where the camera came in. I grabbed it and I went with it, and it became my business. And I truly believe that what we have today can set up a full-time business for you if you like to. So let me go to the next slide here. Another thing is you can search for them. So, you know, okay, I can imagine if you say, I don't want to sell especially my niche. I just want to sell websites. You know, I love to build websites. I want to sell them. So what I did, I went on the internet and I thought, let's just search, where can I sell websites? And the first place that I thought about was, let's go to here, Fiverr. This is the place. This is actually my Fiverr account. And I see Joseph shouting golf. But yeah, this is my Fiverr account here. And these are my earnings on Fiverr. So you can see I've earned here $7,675.82 in my Fiverr account. Now this was a little while ago. I'm not doing this any longer, but this was actually for my voiceover. So I did Dutch voiceovers, and I sold voiceovers in the Dutch language, and that's how I made over $7,000 on Fiverr. So I went on the platform and I thought, let's just dive into this and let's see, you know, what is being offered on Fiverr. So here was one that I noticed here. Look at this. So here he says, I develop dynamic and professional website for you. I don't know how well you can see this, but at the right side, it says a single page website. And he sells it for 765 euros. So that's about $850 for a single page. Custom design, easy navigation, editable with provided videos. So people can edit it, but probably not too easy. And we're going to show you how you can do the same and give your customers even access where they can edit the website super easily as well. So this is the first one. Let's say $850 for a single page website. Here's another one. I will develop a responsive website and designs for you. And I just went over Fiverr. You can look this up. You can search for Shahrukh. Not sure how to pronounce that, but you know, he sold 287 of these sites of $721. And here it says, I'll develop a landing page in this package. So this is also a single page for $721. And this is the basic package. I didn't even look at the standard and the premium package. So let me go to the next one here. I will design and develop a beautiful custom website. So also this one here, $769. So this is also about $850 for this website, a custom web design and development service, Google friendly, perfect for startups. I can tell you after this webinar, you will be able to create these sites as well. And you can offer them for the same price or less, whatever you feel comfortable with. And you can create these sites literally in minutes. You will be blown away by what you will see. And this is even another one. Here it says he's developing a unique creative business website for €3,369. So that's about $3,600. And maybe these prices you're not comfortable with. Well, let me show you this example. Here it says, I will develop a top-notch business website for $288. Now, I want to show you here. Look what it says. It's the red arrow. Do you see that? It says 17 orders in queue. That means that he has right now 17 orders for a website of a minimum of €288. Let's say $350. That's about $5,000 in queue of websites that he's creating for other people. And this is the basic package. Probably he also sold standard and premium packages. Those were $500. But you can see here, $288. And he's charging this, and he has 17 orders in queue. So I just want to show you that it's not impossible to sell your websites. You know, first of all, it's in your passion area. So it's very easy to sell in your passion area. Where my passion was, opportunities came. And so will opportunities also come in your passion area. And if you don't like that, you know, people also say, hard work beats talent, you know? So if you work hard, it will also beat everything else. So if you like to make an income by doing this, it's very easy to do so. So let me go to the next one. And this is where I want to introduce you to SightBuilder, because SightBuilder creates all these sites that we just saw. When we go to this site, an offer like this, you know, where somebody is going to give a static page here, responsive, site setup, etc. SightBuilder is able to do this on autopilot, creates these sites on autopilot for you. And this is truly on autopilot. SightBuilder will do 100% of the work for you. And this is the product that we'll be releasing today. This is the product that I'm going to show you today. And the cool thing is, it will do it in front of your eyes. So the websites that I'm going to show you that you can create will be built right in front of your eyes, literally in front of your eyes. So it comes with an AI-powered chatbot to create websites. So let's say we want to create a website about golf. Then this chatbot is going to ask you, what kind of website would you like to create? And then you simply say, I want to create a golf website about golf. And then it's going to ask, okay, what's the business name? You give it the business name, and the site will be created for you. So you simply type with a chatbot, and then it will give you an outline for your website, all generated by AI. It's a streamlined web design process where the AI will give you an outline, and you can change this outline as well. I'm going to show you a demo as well. And it can create websites into 20 plus different languages. So if you want to create it in another language, that's also possible. It comes with a built-in copywriter. So it's going to write all the copy for you. When you hit create, it's going to write the content for you. It's going to add the images to the website for you. All will be done and will be built right in front of your eyes. Maybe some of you have already seen the teaser video where you've seen a little bit of the demo, but it will be literally built in front of your eyes. Copy will be written for you. And there's even a copywriter inside of the builder itself as well. It comes with 3 million searchable stock media. These are royalty-free images that we have integrated inside of SightBuilder that you can use, that you can search for, and that you can add to your website very easily. And also, it comes with an AI assistant inside the software, which will allow you to design and modify your website. So you can literally chat with a chatbot inside of our website builder, and you can say, make the font bigger, and the font becomes bigger. You can say, make this font another color, make this font blue, it becomes blue. Add a border, it will add a border. I'm going to show you that. And you can simply change that by typing with the chatbot, and the chatbot will understand what you're saying. And also, yeah, this is my introduction to SightBuilder, which will unlock your new AI superpowers. Now, I can be more exciting, but anyone, literally anyone, can create stunning websites with SightBuilder. You don't need any technical knowledge. Literally anyone that's here right now looking at this webinar will be able to create these webinars by answering a few simple questions. And all those websites that will be created can be modified and edited yourself as well with a very advanced builder as well. So who likes to see a demo? Is there anybody here that says, I want to see a demo? Please put yes in the chat. Who's excited here to say, okay, Tim, show me the demo. Greg says yes. Burnett says yes. Demo, yes. James, Burnett, I want to see a demo. Bob wants to see a demo. Then yes. Okay, so lots of excitement here. So let me switch to my video tab and let me show you a demo that I've recorded before. And we're also going to do a live demo as well. But let me show you the demo first. Hey there, and welcome to this demo of SightBuilder. Now, SightBuilder builds websites in front of your eyes. And you can do that by simply typing with a chatbot, answering a few questions, and then it will create the website for you. Now, to get started, we go to the pages, and here we can create pages with artificial intelligence. And here the AI is going to ask us a few questions like, what type of business are you building? And we have pre-configured all different kind of businesses, but you can also manually do. But let's say we want to do something like a cleaning website. We're going to press enter, and then it's asking us what is the name of the business. So the name is Cleaning and Go. And then it's going to ask me, what do you want this site to be about? Cleaning services. And here you can also choose the language. So if you like to have your site in another language, you can do that as well. In this case, we're going to keep this English. And now we're going to continue. Here, the chatbot is going to create an outline for us, like a header about this professional cleaning services for your home or office, top quality cleaning solutions for every space. And you can change this if you like to, but in this case, we're going to click on submit. And now SightBuilder is creating a website in the background for us. And once it's done, you can select one of the available themes that you would like to use. So in this case, I'm going to use this one and I'm going to click on continue. And now it will create the website right in front of your eyes. Look at this. This is being done right in front of your eyes. The text has been written for you. Photos have been added automatically, as you can see. And look at this. The website has been created. All images have been added. Text have been added to our website. And you can modify this to your own needs. So we're going to click on edit here. And from here, you can add anything to your pages. Do you want another photo? Simply click on the photo and here, go to the folder, go to search media, and here you can search millions of images. Let's take the second one here. And boom, look at this. Now you can add other sections to your page. You can change everything. So for example, if you want to add effects to your page, you simply select the block, go to animations, and look at this. You can add animations to your page, all different kind of animations, just whatever you prefer. Zoom in, look at this. And you can apply this to each block. Want to add animations to this one as well? Look at this. So this way your pages look really professional and you can sell this to other businesses. Want to add manual blocks? Simply click on the sections part here and choose one of the pre-built blocks here. We got basics, we got headers, we got sliders, we got articles, we got photo sections, all categories. Let's say you want to change the header of your website and you want to have a full header. We go to the headers here and we're going to do a full photo here. Let's take this one. Now this has been added to our page and we can simply move this up. Look at this. And we want to have this at the top. There you go. Now this will become our header. We simply click on the photo again. We're going to change this. Pick one of the photos here and look at this. Now this is the header of our website. One of the cool other options is that it also comes with a AI assistant here. When we open this, we can change everything on our page by simply typing and chatting with our AI assistant. For example, if we want to change this block, we click on the block, we click on Edit Selected Block, and we can say, rewrite this paragraph. And look at this, it has been rewritten for us. But you can also do other things, like make the font blue. Look at this. Or maybe you want to add a border, add a black border. And maybe we want to have a photo in the background as well. We simply select the block here and we're going to say add a photo as background. Look at this. And now we can change this photo here as well, simply by typing and chatting with the AI assistant. Want to make the font smaller? Make the font smaller. Smaller. Just click on it and the font will be smaller. And of course, you can also change the font simply by typing here and go to the font settings. And here you can also change the font settings manually if you don't like to type with the AI assistant. But the AI assistant can do a lot for you. It can even add extra sections. So when you go to the prompt library here, you can see all these prompts that you can apply and ask to the chat. So for example, if you want to add another section, you can do that as well. Simply choose one of the options. Add a section that highlights our AI-powered web solutions. We can say add a section that highlights our cleaning services. And then include a compelling headline paragraph and 2 buttons named Our Works and Get in Touch. Also add a background image. Look at this. And there you go. It has created this whole new section for us. The only thing that we need to do is change this background photo to one of our cleaning services like this. And there you go. And that's how easy it is to work with SightBuilder. Want to add new sections? Simply drag and drop them. Want to have a slider? Simply click on it and boom, you have a slider on your page. Want to add another block like an article? Simply click on it and look at that. Boom, you got an article. Want to add more? No problem. Click on it and it will be added. Look at this. Want to add animations? Click on animations and look how quickly this goes. Boom. Another nice feature of SightBuilder is that you can change the typography of the whole page. Look at this, we got all these different examples here that you can choose from, all different styles. So let's say you want to change the style of your whole page. You can change it per section or per page. Let's say we want to change the page and we want to have this style. You simply click on it and look at this. Your page, everything has been changed to a different style. Not happy with it? Simply choose another style. Look at this. So we have a ton of different styles here that you can choose from and apply to your whole page. See how easy it is and how easy it is to create professional websites for your clients. Also, it comes with mobile features as well. You can see how this looks on different devices, and even you can decide to hide specific elements on mobile or on desktop. Simply click on the section here, go to the settings and click on responsive. And here you can say that you want to hide this, for example, on desktop, or maybe you only want to hide this on mobile, and then it will not be visible on mobile as well. Another cool feature, you can directly edit the code as well. As you can see here, you can make changes to the source code as well. Want to add specific elements to your page? Simply go to this next section here, content blocks, click on content blocks, and we also preloaded a bunch of content blocks here that you can apply to your page. For example, if you want to add a video, simply drag and drop this to your page, and there you got your video inside of your page. This way you can add all different kind of content blocks to your pages, like dividers, here testimonials, text lines, anything you like, you can add this to your page. And this is just a quick overview of the pages that you can create with SightBuilder. So, how do you like what you see so far? What you've seen so far? Let me know in the chat if you're excited about this, just excited as we are. Yes, love it, says Bernard. George, the webinar stopped. Looks great. Well, you're still here. If you don't see anything and the webinar stopped, make sure to refresh your screen. You're the third team. Love it. Livingstone, Roger, excellent. Perfect. So yeah, this, like I said, I'm super excited about this one. And let me actually share my screen. So here you can see SightBuilder. So this is what SightBuilder is at this moment. And again, we go into questions a little later. First, I want to show you this, but I'm trying to answer some questions already during this demo and when we go over this software. But basically, when you log into SightBuilder, you can manage all of your websites, and you can manage all of your clients' websites inside one space here. So as you can see here at the right side, you can see workspaces here. And when I click on workspaces, you can add your own workspace that you can work in. So you could see those workspaces as client spaces. If you create websites for clients, this is, for example, one client. This is the other client, the second one here. And yeah, you can create these workspaces and publish to this page. Now, when you add a workspace here, for example, you give this a name, you give this a company name, a subdomain, but you can also publish directly to custom domains. I know this question, I got a lot of questions before this webinar. Hey, Tim, are we able to use our own domain? And the answer is yes. You can publish SightBuilder to your own domain. You can simply connect your domain to SightBuilder, and then you can publish directly to your domain. I mean, that's awesome, right? You don't have to use our subdomains. And of course, you can use subdomains. We offer that. You can see here, for example, tim123.sitepages.com. That is a subdomain. Or you can say mywebsite.sitepages.com. If you do not have a domain name, no problem. You can use our subdomain. You don't need to have a domain name in order to use SightBuilder, but you can use our domain name. And just want to make sure, are you guys seeing what I'm sharing right now? Before I continue rambling, were you able to see what I showed you about the workspaces? Please let me know in the chat if you could see that. Yes, okay, perfect. So these are the workspaces. So you will be able to connect your own domain names. You simply click on here, and then you only have to point your DNS to this website, to your subdomain that you've created inside of SightBuilder, and your pages will have SSL security as well. Everything is included for you, so you can have your customer's domain, you can connect it and publish websites for your customers. Now then we go to the pages in here, and this is where the interesting part is. You can literally create pages for any business. Like I said, for your passion. What's your passion? Just name it in here, and we can create a website on the fly here if we like to. So, for example, does anyone here says, hey, this is my passion, or I like to see a website about a specific subject, so that I can show you how easy it is? Just drop it in the chat, and then I'm going to show you that. Let's see here. Training website about what, James? Online clubs building, gaming, AI. Okay, golf. Well, we can do a golf website. Let's do the golf website. So let's do that. Say, okay, create with AI. So I want to point out, you can also start creating websites from scratch. So you don't need to use the AI if you don't like to. If you like to create with the AI, you simply click on create with AI. And from here, you can choose to which domain you want to publish. So if you have connected your customer domain here, in this case, I'm going to do demo account, for example, I can submit, and now the website will be published to that domain. And now it's going to ask me some questions. So what type of business do you want to build? And I want to do a golf instructor. I'm a golf instructor, right? Or I want to create websites for golf instructors. What's the name of your business? Golf to go. I don't know, just typing something here. For example, what do you want the site to be about? So a golf instructor website, and you can do whatever you like. And here you can choose the language. So if you like to choose another one language, in this case, I go with the golf instructor, and then it's going to give me the outline here. And look at this. It says here, a header about this: master the game, learn from a professional golf instructor, elevate your golf skills with an expert instruction, and then transform your game with personalized golf coaching. So it comes up with content already, and you can change this. If you would like to change something here, you can do that. You simply hit submit, and now it's going to create the website for us. As you can see here, sprinkling dust, crafting digital spells, and it's going to create the website in the background, painting dreams and visions. And now it's basically going to prepare everything for you. And this is just to show here, it's ready. So I can select a theme in here. So let's say I want to use, let's go with the first one, which is the blank one, because I like to have this clean theme. And now it's going to create the website right in front of your eyes, like I showed you. And this is how easy it is to create the website for you. And here you go, boom, improve your golf game. You see that? It's going to add the content in here. It's going to add the images for you, and this is happening all on the fly for you. So like I said, it's super easy. You just type whatever website you'd like to have, and then it's building this website right in front of your eyes. And that's how easy it is. It comes with pictures, and it tries to come with the best pictures, right? So as you can see here at the top, what I noticed is the first picture here was a wrong image. So here it came with a image about a gym, right? These pictures are okay, but everything can be changed in here. So it continues here by writing the content on our website, our services, etc. Playing lessons. So this one is also playing lessons. So it thought about playing lessons. So probably that's a piano. So we can change a few things in here, but most of the things here, you see, boom, it has been created. And I can edit this real quickly. So I simply open the editor, and this is the editor that I just showed you in the demo. And here you click on it, and you simply go to the folder here, and you search for golf. Let's say golf here. And then I can just simply pick one of these images. So it's got these images from the connected websites. So let's say I want to use this image. This is a nice image. Look at this. This looks beautiful, right? And maybe I want to align it a little bit different, so I can go to the settings here, and I can say I want to move this a little bit more, let me see, horizontal here. Look at this. I can change this picture in here. And look at this. This looks beautiful, right? Improve your game with expert golf instruction. And then you go over the images, and if you're not happy, you simply click on the image, and then again you go to the folder, and then you can change those images. And that works so super easy. So let's say I want to use this image, boom, it's there. Want to change the other image, and you simply open the library. And this is how fast you can add and create your websites. Take this image, look at this. And all the effects, everything has been applied to your page. And if you like to add effects, you simply click on the block and look at this animation here. And we can choose from all these animations. So let's say I want to zoom in. Look at this. These are high quality animations that have been added, or that you can add to your. Want to add this animation as well? Simply do it like this. And that's how easy it is to create websites. Now let me first see if there are there some questions here. Let me see here if there are a few questions. I don't know if Ankit already replied to some questions as well. I see some questions have been answered as well. So let me see here. There's a lot in the chat here. Boom, boom, boom. Amazing product. Thank you, Riot. Can you use the function link read more, link lets visitors? Well, you can link all of your links. So, you know, you can add main menus. There's a main menu here that you can point to different sections, and there will be training. So when people click on about here, it will scroll down to the about section. But, you know, you can link this to anything. So if you create another page, like let's say you want to create a separate contact page, you simply create a page inside of SightBuilder, and then inside the menu here, you can simply click on this menu here. And when you go to the menu builder here, when I click on about, for example, I can link this to wherever I like. I can link this to another URL. I can link this to a section, you know, and if I want to add multiple items to, if I want to have a new menu item, I can say contact us here. And then I can link that, I can add that, look at this, and now it's in here. And it works really simple. I can drag and drop this. You see, contact us. And when I close this, it will be, it should be on my page here. Let me see. Did I forget something here? Oh, I think I didn't save it. Let me try this one more time. Contact us. It should be here. So let's click on OK. Yeah, see? Oh, I didn't. It's here right now. So I've added it twice now. So you can link this anywhere, and you can create submenus like this, right? So this was under the share button. You can link this. You can add your own logo, etc. And it's super easy, right? If there's no menu, you can add the navigation menu here, and you can add all of these sections. And these are high quality sections. As you can see, all these modules will be added to your account. You simply click on it and look at this. Boom, we can change this. Simply click on the image and we can replace this by a golf image or whatever you prefer. So let's say we want to have this golf ball in here. Boom, now we have a section here with a golf ball. So that's how easy it is to create these pages. Now, let me actually do you an offer, because I know there are a lot of questions here to be answered. I see Ankita is already answering a lot of questions in the chat as well. For example, here, show the demo. Can I embed video? Yes, you can embed video as well. So it simply works like this. So you have these elements in here, and if you want to add a video block, you simply click on this plus button in here, where you have all the other options as well. So for example, if you want to add a video, you simply click on video here, or YouTube. In this case, is a YouTube, and you've added a video to your website. It's that easy. You can add all these elements to your page simply by clicking on these plus buttons, and then it will be added to your website. Oh, I clicked wrong, but you get the idea, right? And again, if you want to chat with, if you need content for your website, you can use this AI assistant like I showed you before. You can even write complete content elements. If you're not satisfied with how much content there's on your page, you can type here simply, write a section about chipping around the green, for example. So when I click on this, and I'm here at general, it's going to write a whole new section for me about chipping around the green. Now, I hope maybe I should have provided a little bit more information that it was about golf. Well, it's in here. It's a crucial skill for any golfer. So it has written here, and I can extend this. I can say write extra paragraphs, etc. And if I like to choose the background here, I can add an image here as well. So that's how easy it is to work with this builder. It's super easy. If I want to change the text, I can simply change it as well. I can change the colors here for everything that I like to see. If I can add this white, I can change that. So lots of options here. So what I'm going to do, let me see if there's one more question here. Can I generate the code and run in my current hosting with a hosting provider? Yes, I'm going to show you that with the offer that I'm presenting as well. You will be able to export your websites as HTML. You can upload it to your own hosting as well. That will be one of the options that we're going to offer you as well. So can I generate wireframes with the tool sets for web apps? I think that's a little bit out of my knowledge. I'm not sure what you're asking here, but what you can do is you can add elements. For example, you can add code elements. Let me see where that is here. Pre-formatted. I think it's in here. Let me see. Let me remove the AI assistant here. Settings. Oh, this is the code section. You are also here. It is HTML. So you can also add your own HTML code in here. So you can basically add anything to this page, any block you like. So external services, you can embed that to your website if you like to simply add an HTML block, and you will be able to add that to your page. You can even go to this HTML thing in here, and you can edit the HTML of your page inside of the builder, as you can see here. So it's really, you have so many options. I mean, I literally showed you only a few options of this builder, in the demo. So the typography, look at all these typographies. If you want to change your page here to different kind of font types, you can simply click on this and everything will change on the page automatically. Look at this. Now it changed to this type of font. And you can do that for a section, or you can do that for a whole page. So it's very advanced. There's some training as well. You can also animate each object specifically. You have here, let me quickly show you some things here. Font settings, so you can everything change here as well, like paragraph settings. You can change the line spacing in here. many options for each element. So in each element, you have a configuration settings in here where you can go to, and then you can configure it in here. So when I scroll down, for example, I can go to this text, and then I can go to this configuration here to the settings, and I can change all of that in here. I can change the spacing, I can change the text, I can add the borders in here, I can add corners, shadows, and so much more. But this will be too much to show you during this live webinar. This is just to show you what a high quality product SightBuilder is and how easy it is to create your pages. So what I want to do now is I want to continue with the presentation, and I will go over some questions later as well, because I don't want to spend too much time for people that sharing their precious time with me. I want to do the offer for those that are here to see the special offer that we're having. So the demo, we already showed you the demo. So I'm going to show you a special webinar. So I'm going to show you my screen again, and I'm going to switch here. Let me see that. Let me show you that here. Yes, this is what I want to share you. So what I want to show you here and what I want to offer you is this a special deal specifically for the attendees on this webinar. So we're selling SightBuilder today. So it's going live in about 5 minutes officially. So this is what you're going to get during the special offer is this. We're going to give you SightBuilder in here. And this is a SightBuilder that you just saw, right? With the AI-powered chatbot to create websites, the AI content writer, the outline generator, image finder, AI redesign, where you can create websites in 20 languages. And there is no limit here, but there is a limit on the front end. Probably, Ankit, if you hear this, please add this to this page as well. There is limitations if you have this product, but for those on the webinar, if you get the offer today, you will be without limitation. I'm going to offer you something that will blow your socks off. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Stay here. I truly believe that you will love what I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So, everything is in here. Everything that you need to create those beautiful pages. You've seen those pages. Those are beautiful. And you can create them from scratch, or you can create them with the chatbot, etc. What you're also going to get is the unlimited version, which means you can create unlimited pages, unlimited workspace. So that means that you can add unlimited websites, that you can create websites for unlimited clients. You can create unlimited websites, unlimited leads and forms. You can have unlimited subdomains hosted by us. You can get unlimited custom domains that you can add to your account. So that means if you have your own domain name, you can add as many external domain names to SightBuilder as you like. You will have team user access as well. And this will be released, I think, within a week, that you get team access as well. Advanced autoresponder integration, Zapier, make Pebble integration with webhooks, etc. This is what you're going to get as well. Everything will be unlimited if you get what I'm offering you today. The second upgrade is the AI template club, where you get the pro templates for full AI flow, pro landing blocks, pro header blocks, pro video blocks, pro shopping blocks, slider blocks, testimonial blocks, call to action blocks, photo blocks, article blocks. This will all be included as well. And now what I'm going to share to you, I think this will blow your socks off, because I haven't seen anything like this before. And if this doesn't get you excited, I don't know. Look at this. What we're going to offer here, what you're going to get is white label access. The price here is incorrect. This is not 67. Ankit, please check this out as well. I think this will be $199 if you purchase this separately, which is crazy already. But what you're going to get is full white label access to SightBuilder. That means that you can sell SightBuilder under your own name, under your own brand, and under your own domain name. You will be able to sell accounts of your own product. You can literally set up your own software business. Like we show you today, you can do an exact same webinar, and then you can offer your SightBuilder, and you can brand as your product name then with your logo, and you can offer accounts to other people, which is included. So, you can build your own business, software business within seconds. There are no startup costs. We've invested, and I can tell you, there have been thousands of hours in creating this product. And you can add new clients by simply adding a click and invite them to the platform. You can manage your clients as well, and you can sell a one-time, or you can sell this for monthly. And this is what I was trying to say during the presentation, where I said, you use your passion and create a business around your passion, because this is what you will be able to do. You can literally say, okay, I'm going to create websites in the golf space, and I'm going to sell it to you. And what I'm also going to do? I'm going to give you access so that you can update your own website as well. If you would like to add images yourself, you can do that as well. You simply give them login. So you sell them a website with a system as well, where your clients will be able to log in as well. And I can tell you, this is huge. I've asked Ankit, I think I've asked Ankit 5 times. So it's really included that they can sell SightBuilder as their own, under their own name, under their own brand, under their own domain name. And he said, yes, he confirmed. So this is huge. I can tell you this is huge. And this has not been offered anytime before, like the way we're offering. I know that this request has been done many times, that people asking, Tim, is it really white label? And then I had to say, sorry, it's not really white label. But in this case, it is really white label, guys. You're going to get white label access. And this, you will get access after the launch. So this will be over within a few weeks, because we're currently selling SightBuilder. We're having an official launch. So we cannot give you access right now to that white label. So you will get white label access a little later, but you're going to get it within your purchase today. And in my opinion, this is crazy. You're going to get SightBuilder Revideo Edition as well. Now, Revideo is similar to SightBuilder, but then for video. So it allows you to create videos with AI as well. So you can turn any video, and well, any text will be into a mesmerizing video. And this is super cool as well. So it has 3 million stock photos as well, and videos that it will add to your video. This will be included as well. You can create videos with Revideo within your purchase. And also, we're going to give you extra bonuses if you pick this up today. So you will have a practical backend training, how to create a 6-figure income with SightBuilder, so you know how to sell your product to other audiences. We're going to give X Convert Pro app as well, where you have sales boosters that you can add to your website. If I'm correctly, these are the pop-ups that you can add to your website. That will pop up on the bottom of your screen. You're going to add that as well. We're going to add that as well. X Social Pro app. And this allows you to help you easily auto-post and schedule your Instagram post, along with Facebook, Twitter, and more. So this is a scheduling software that you're going to get access to as well. And you're also going to get Apps Builder Pro, which will convert your website into any iOS and Android app. We're going to include that as a bonus as well. So you're going to get access to all these products. And who's excited here? Who says, okay, I'm excited to get all of this? Is there anyone that says, hey, this is amazing. This is an amazing offer. Let me show you here. Me, I'm excited. Here, let me go back to the slides, by the way. So lots of excitement here. Yeah, I mean, it is crazy. People asking how many websites we'll be able to create for the front end. I think it's about 50, something like that. Okay, I'm sold. What's the bundle link, Tim? Okay, Joseph, let me share with you, because we've already done the overview. And normally, I mean, I'm not kidding. You will be paying 10K or even more to create something like this. I think this is even at the low side for what you're getting here. You will be paying 10K. I can ask you, what would you think that this is worth? Getting access to a software like this, where you get white label access, unlimited websites, unlimited domains, etc., where you can sell accounts to clients. What would this be worth if you had to pay for something like this? And we're going to make you an amazing offer within a few seconds, where you can pick this up. And this is a teaser. You're right. Normally we say we're going to sell this for $297 during the launch, right? That was our original plan, to say, okay, we're gonna sell it for $297. But because you're on the webinar today, we're gonna make a way better deal for you, and this is a no-brainer. And I'm gonna tell you right now, we're gonna reward fast action takers. People that don't want to have answered all of their questions. That's why we want to reward fast action takers. So the first 10 people are going to get the most discount. We're going to give away $50 discount so that we will sell this for $247 for the first 10 people that will get this. Now, let me get the link here. Let me drop that in the chat so that you can visit it already. So here is the link where you can go. This is the link. And, you know, I like to reward fast action takers. So the first people that will get this software, you can apply this coupon here, and then you will get it for $247. And normally the coupon will be $40. We're going to raise it up to $40 discount. But, you know, this time when you apply a coupon, act fast, the first 10 people will get a coupon here. Yes, this link includes white labeling. Everything that I just showed you, you will get for $247, which is crazy. Only the white label version we're selling right now for $199. And you're going to get all of it, all of the upgrades, including the video software as well, for $247. So I cannot see how quickly those coupons are going, but this is what we have. So the link is in the chat. Let me drop it in one more time for those that are just joining. This is the link, and let me also add the coupon codes here. So there you go. This is the link, and this is where we want to reward the fast action takers for getting access to SightBuilder. And if you're in, let me know. I know this takes a couple of seconds. Will AdSense work? Yeah, I think you can add AdSense here onto the website. You know, it's just HTML blocks, right? So if you can add HTML blocks. Yeah, it's taken to a page with early bundle, but that's $40 discount, Jonathan. That's why I said I want to reward fast action takers to give them $10 extra discount with the coupon Act Fast. It's on the screen right now. So if Act Fast is no longer working, you can always use the other coupon that we've added to the page as well. In and done. James, awesome. Great to have you in here. Let me actually check some things out as well. Let me see if I can see the backend as well. So, Roger, I'm in. Awesome. Great to have you in, Roger. Let me switch here to a dashboard. I'm going to answer some questions as well, but make sure that you're getting the best deal right now. Boom, I'm in. Thanks, brother. Joseph, awesome. Great to have you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great to have you here. Let me go here. Let me see here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, eight people have already took the coupon Act Fast. So that's going real quickly. Tom is in. Tom Lynch. Awesome, Tom. Great to have you. Okay, this is going really fast. Okay, 10 people already. So the coupon is no longer working. Dan in. Dan is also in. Livingstone is in. Irina is in. I'm in. Let me see here. Yeah, so the first coupon, it has, I can see here 10 of 10 coupons. You know what I'm going to do? Let me because it goes so fast. Okay, let me open it one more time here, because this will not be public. All affiliates will not have access to this coupon. Let me see here. For those that are not in yet, let me get 10 extra. Let me set this to 20 now. Okay, if you're trying to get it and it's saying, okay, it's not available, I've added 10 extra Act Fast coupons. So if you say, okay, I like to have that extra discount, I want to reward you for taking fast action, because a lot of people have acted fast. Yes, more people are getting in already. Let me know if you're in. Roger, purchasing SightBuilder is truly a no-brainer. Absolutely true. Burnett, not sure if I pronounced your name already, but I'm in. Awesome. Thank you so much. Great to have you here. Awesome. Jonathan Carroll, I think I'm in. It took me to a JVZoo page. I think you're in. It should take you to a JVZoo page. Ankit, if you're still here, let me see here. What is our, can you drop our support in our Skype here? What's our support address? Maybe I can find it as well. In case you have any questions, we can 1 second here. I think it is support@SightBuilder.pro. SightBuilder.pro. If you have any questions, guys, make sure to email to support@SightBuilder.pro. So let me check in here. So if you're in, let me know in the chat. Let me refresh this one. Yes, more people are already in. I can see it in here. How will bonuses be made available? I think they will be delivered inside of your account. And otherwise, make sure to send us an email, James, if you can't find them. Okay, probably they haven't been added yet. We've really worked hard till today to get everything done on time. I missed most of the webinar, but I'm in, Barry. Awesome. Well, you will enjoy it. Awesome. Let me see here. So let me refresh this screen. You guys are action takers. I appreciate that. That's really awesome. So more bundles have been, okay, there are still bundles available. Let me, by the way, drop the link again for those that are in late here. This is the link, and make sure to use this coupon. It is in the chat. Make sure to use that. So let me know if there are any questions in here. Let me go over some of the questions that I can see here. If there are any. Ankit has answered a lot here. A lot of chat, so it's hard to go through, honestly. Love it, powerful, very nice drag and drop SightBuilder with AI assistant. Let me see here. Can you make it ADA compliant, Livingstone? I don't think it is ADA compliant, but there are tools out there that you can install to our website to make the website ADA compliant. Let me see here. Can you import the sites into WordPress, Jurgen? No, this is, yeah, if you can, I don't know, you can export the pages as HTML. So if you can import HTML inside of the WordPress, but I don't think that is possible, Jurgen. But yeah, this is a system on its own. So you don't need to have WordPress. You simply create this site, and then, yeah, we host everything for you. Burnett, I don't remember my JV password, so now I can't log into the software. I think you receive an email from us as well with your login detail. Again, if you haven't received your login details, Burnett, please send us an email at support@sightbuilder.com, and make sure you spell SightBuilder correctly. The support@sightbuilder.pro. If you can find the info in your inbox. Also, make sure to check your spam box, because we're using a new domain. Sometimes that lands in the spam box as well. So make sure to check that out first before you email. Let me see. Hey, it looks like something has been reset here. I think probably, Ankit, you probably changed something. Okay, so there's still, you made some more bundles available for the 50 discount. If the 50 discount is no longer working, you can use coupon early bundle to get it for $257. But if you're part of the of the quick actors, you can still get it for 247 when you apply coupon Act Fast. Let me see here. Doc says FTPing to customer domain is game changer. Yeah, so everything will be, your domain that is connected will have SSL connected directly by adding a CNAME to your. Did I say it correct? Yeah, I think it's a CNAME to your domain. So it works really cool. Yeah, I see a lot of requests for creating a website in different niches and passions. So I just showed you the golf one, but you can start creating them yourself. It goes real quick. You saw how quickly it went, right? Okay, so the question is also, do we need to connect to ChatGPT? Okay, this is good to answer. So creation of sites will be done by us, and of course there is fair use to have this, right? If you're going to create 100 sites a day, that will be impossible for us to provide. The chatbot on the inside, the chat AI assistant, if you want to use that one, you need to connect your OpenAI key yourself. But this is literally costing pennies. This creating content is so cheap. But if we have to provide all of that, then it adds up too much for us, and we want to be profitable. I think you understand that. We can't give away anything for free. So you need to have that AI chat connected, the chat assistant. You need to connect it to your OpenAI key. But that's pretty easy to do, and it's really a matter of pennies what you're paying. And of course, you can also use it without that assistant, because pages building is really easy. Okay, Martin Gross. I ordered the webinar special and used the wrong coupon. Okay, contact us. Martin. Let me see here. Okay, I need to scroll up here. What about SEO ranking? Yeah, so you will be able to set SEO details as well in our page. Let me see, SEO. So you will be able to add a site title. Let me show you that as well here. And by the way, let me share the link. Let me share my screen one more time to show you that. So SEO purposes, screen. I need to switch screen here to SightBuilder AI. Yeah. So here you can see it. So when I go to the page settings here, you can see you can set the title in here. You can set the description for SEO settings, and you can set the robot settings as well to index or follow the page. You have your favicon settings in here, and you have your page setting. Now, this page setting is for us. If there are any issues, we can always ask you for the page setting. But here you have the SEO setting where you can have your title and descriptions and your robot settings. So these are the settings that are currently available for SEO purposes. Yeah, Martin already said that. Please contact us. Support at sightbuilder.pro. Let me see if there are more questions here as well. Yeah, Dan Whiting says, tell everyone to go to openai.com for the API key. That's correct. Can it create product review blog posts and or informational blog posts? Yeah, so the main focus is on business websites, right? But of course, you can write anything inside of the builder. So you can even create a new blank page, and then you can use the AI assistant. You can use the AI assistant to write your blog post, and then you can say, of course, write a review about this and that. So it's just the prompts that you give into ChatGPT as well. And let me I'm trying to address all the questions, guys. Um, yeah, Doc, using the team app, in the app, where do I find the team member? So this is something I said that during the webinar. What we're probably will be releasing in a week from now on, but that is included in your purchase. So right now it's not available. We will be, we could add this today, but we didn't want to take the risk on the day of going live to add that, and then maybe have an error in our page. We didn't want to take that risk because I was going to do a live demo, and then we didn't want to take the risk. So there's no actually blogging functionality. As far as I know, there's not really a blog section. Maybe Ankit, maybe you can reply to that in private to Ray. Ankit said you can build any kind of website. Yeah, basically, Fred, you can build any kind of website because you will be able to build anything with it, right? I mean, you can start by creating a blank website. When I go here, for example, and I say, okay, I'm going to create a page, and I go to create from scratch. So I'm going to do, let me see here. Fred, what's your name? Yeah. So I'm going to call this website Fred. I'm going to say the slug is Fred, and this is in workspace demo. And now I can start. So this is my demo website. Nothing is in here. And I can click on edit, and I can basically add anything to this page. So I can click on plus here, and I can add any kind of section. So if I want to add text, I can do that, right? Anything that's in here, everything that you need to build any kind of website is in here. Like this. Look at this. All these options are available. So yeah, basically you can add any site. If you want to add a header, simply click on it, like this one column here. Boom. Now we have this one. Let me delete the first block. So here you have it. This is the first block, and you can simply add sections real easy. So if you want to do basic, then below, it will be added here. You see? So yeah, you will be able to add any website, create any website, and these buttons you can link that to anything, right? Jonathan, is there an on-demand tutorial section available? Yes, there is a tutorial section available where our videos. So when you go into the app here, let me go to the main menu here, tutorials. You'll see here a tutorial how to get started with SightBuilder, how to add extra sections and blocks, how to use the AI assistant here, how to connect your domain to SightBuilder, how to add a navigation menu, how to add animations to your page. We're going to extend this library as well. So yes, there are tutorials on the inside. Burnett, I wrote support is telling me 24 to 48 hours. Yes, we try to answer as soon as possible, of course. You need to be aware that during a launch, it's such a hectic time because you get so many emails and so many traffic. So we try to answer your questions as quickly as possible, Burnett. Sergio, I don't see the white label section. No, that's probably you jumped in a little later. The white label section will be available a little later, as we will not be releasing this during our launch because, we are selling this product now, and we won't have other people selling at the same time our product that we're releasing right now. So we first have our launch, and after our launch, the white label section will become available to you. But if you purchase today, that's included in your purchase. So you are securing that white label option in your purchase today. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Let me go over some questions here. Multiple sections with questions. Ankit, maybe you can also answer Tom Lynch's question. Can you demo adding and linking pages? Yeah, so basically, Doug, it's not too difficult. When you have a workspace, for example, so this is my client here. You have a website here. You can copy this link here. So this is or opening this website. I don't know if this is the right tab, if you can see this, but basically it's opening. No, you cannot see this, but it's opening another website, and I can copy that URL within that workspace. And then what I can do is I can simply edit the existing website. I can go to this menu. So let's click on edit here. So this is a cleaning service website. I can go to this menu here, and I can say, for example, like I said here, contact. And then I can say, for example, I'm going to link this page here. So this is cleaning services. Oh, this was the same website, but basically you put the other page that you created inside of your workspace here, and you're going to click on add, and then click on save here, and then your contact page will go to that other page. It's really easy to connect your pages. And also you can connect, you can, within the sections here, you can scroll down to other sections. So let's say this is expert. You see expert area. So I can say here, I can click on this, go to the sections in here, and I also explain this in the tutorial. But when I say, for example, here, expert, remember this is the section ID, expert. What I can do here is I can go to the menu here, and I can add a new menu here which says expert. And then I want to link to hashtag expert. And now when I add this, and I click on OK, and I click on expert, boom, it automatically goes to that section on the page. You see that? Expert, boom, it scrolls to that section. I hope you can see that in the webinar, because sometimes it is delayed, but that's what you can do as well. Yes, there will be more tutorials. Only seeing 4. There should be more than 4 right now. Can website be modified periodically? You can modify it anytime, Martin. If you create your website, you can change it anytime. Okay, Ray, your answer is question is being answered by Ankit. Doc, I answered your questions. And guys, this is a new product. I want you to be aware of that. We've tested the product as much as possible. We've had beta testers as well. When users start using a platform, they can bump into problems. So please be a little bit patient with us. If you bump into an issue, please report it to support, and Ankit and his team will make sure that it's getting fixed if you bump into anything. That's important to know. He and his team worked very, very hard to get this done by today. But as always with brand new products, sometimes you can bump into small issues, but we will take care of that. Maybe you can answer Joseph as well, Ankit. All right. Let me do this again. All right. Yeah. Okay. Can I create membership? Membership is not included, Jerry. I don't think you can create membership. Which upgrade includes the HTML download feature? I think that's the unlimited upgrade, if I'm correctly. Let me see if I can see that for you. I think it's in the unlimited upgrade. Maybe you can answer that, Ankit, as well. Ankit is still in here. Mm-hmm. Let me see here. There's so many in the chat here. I tried to go over them in case I missed any. Also answering some through chat that don't want to have it public. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them now, because we're going to close this webinar in a few minutes. Excellent webinar. Thank you for creating this awesome website builder. Thank you so much, Fred. Great to have you in here. So I don't know if the coupon is still available. Let me see. Yeah, it's still, we keep this open now for those. Yeah. Let me. Yeah, okay. I just discussed with Ankit, those that are on the webinar, we're going to keep this because we appreciate that you are the early ones here on the webinar. We're going to keep the coupon open here. Act fast. Make sure you use that coupon. We're going to keep that open for you as a thank you for being a fast actor. It's been 1.5 hours. I'm getting tired. You heard that. Going to be a replay of the webinar. Yes, Barry, we tried to set up a replay of this webinar if everything goes well. Doc, excellent, Tim. This was very well run. Great job. I want to be on your beta team for future launches. Sounds good. Hope to sell this to my group as affiliate. Awesome. And I'm happy that this time we did not have any technical issues with the webinar. Can you tell me how did the webinar went quality wise? Was the audio good? Was the demo good of the video? How did the webinar go technically? Let me know. There's still a lot of people in here. Fred says great. Awesome. All aspects great on the tech side, Dan. Okay, that's good to hear. I'm happy about that. Because GoTo is being used a lot for webinars. I'm using Big Marker. I really prefer this one because the backend is really nice of this software. But I'm happy to hear that all went smooth. I think everything went perfectly. Great job. Thank you. Audio 5. by 5, video 5 by 5, presenter 10. Thank you, Doc. I've never heard a presenter say we have 8 sales. Amazing transparency. You're welcome. Thank you, Doc. I appreciate that. Webinar went good. No problem with sound or visual. Thank you, Tom. All right, guys. I don't see any questions here. Yeah, so we're gonna finish this webinar. I don't see any questions here any longer. I want to thank you everyone so much for being here. And again, let if you like to have access, we're gonna keep this coupon open for you because you were on the webinar. No affiliate will have access to this coupon code. So this is specifically for you as a thank you for being on this webinar. And thank you so much, guys. And I appreciate it, all of you, for being here. And time to vacation in Paris. Thank you, Dan. I don't know if you mean me or that you go to Paris, but also a place to go. But thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you on the inside of SightBuilder. Make sure you get your access today. Again, the white label access, where you get full access to sell the software as your own, will be added to your account if you get access today. And thank you so much, Sergio, James. Stay warm. You too. Thank you so much. And guys, have an awesome day. And talk to you soon. Cheers, guys. Oh, by the way, I now see that it redirects to a wrong URL in the settings. Well, you will be redirected to a different sales page, but never mind. That's not that was because of a copy of the webinar. I can change it. Oh, I can change it. Hold on. Nah, not working. Anyway, have an awesome day, guys. Talk to you soon. Cheers.